Hello, welcome to XS Electronic Circuits channel. In this video, we want to make an LED chaser circuit using reed relay, magnet, stepper motor in its driver circuit. Here a CD is placed on the stepper motor and a magnet is attached to the motor shaft. On CD, magnetic switches or reed relays are placed in series with LEDs. The rotating magnet is placed in front of each of the magnetic switches. Those switches are connected and the current path of that LED is connected and the LED is lit. A potentiometer is used to adjust the speed of the stepper motor. By changing the resistance of the potentiometer, the frequency of the pulses of the stepper motor drive changes and the speed of the motor increases and decreases. Therefore, the speed of turning on and off the LEDs increases and decreases. The schematic of the designed circuit is shown here. The working voltage of the circuit is 5 volts DC. If you like our video so far, please follow us to see our next videos. Thank you. ICs 555, 4017 and ULN 2003 have been used in the design of this circuit. Let's see the circuit design. So far we have installed 555 and 4017 ICs. We used IC 555 to generate the pulse. In the design, we have a variable resistor R2 that has an inverse relationship with the output frequency value. As the resistance R2 increases, the frequency of the output pulse decreases. Also, by reducing the resistance of R2, the frequency of the output pulse increases. Next, the output pulses from IC 555 are connected to the clock pin of IC 4017. IC 4017 has 9 output pins. With each clock, one of the outputs is activated and the previous output is activated. In this way, only one of the outputs is active with each clock. In this picture, pin 7 is connected to the reset pin of IC 4017 and as soon as pin 7 is activated, the IC is reset. IC ULN 2003 is a driver that is 7-bit, which means we can have 7 inputs and 7 outputs in the circuit. The maximum output current of this driver is 500 milliamperes and we can easily start relays and DC motors with it. In this circuit, this IC is used to start the stepper motor. Stepper motors work with pulses. They move one step for each pulse. Depending on the type of stepper motor, with each pulse, a certain amount is moved in degrees on the motor shaft. The speed of the motor shaft depends on the frequency of the input pulse. By connecting the outputs of IC 4017 to IC ULN 2003, the required current for the motor drive is provided. In fact, by sending a pulse from IC 555 side, Each time one of the outputs of IC 4017 is activated and one step moves the motor. The order of connecting the pins of the stepper motor to IC 4017 is important. If the pulses are not applied in order, the motor will not move. Reed relays are a kind of electromechanical switches that are activated by magnetic energy and pass electric current. When you bring a magnet close to a relay reed, the entire relay reed becomes part of the magnetic circuit and becomes magnetized. In this case, the two contacts of the reed relay become non-identical magnetic poles. So they attract each other and connect to each other. In fact, the reed relay is like a normally open switch. When the reed relay is not excited by the magnetic field, the contacts are not connected to each other. In this case, it acts like an open switch and does not conduct electricity. But when a magnet gets close enough to the relay's reed, the contacts close together, acting like a closed switch. This connection causes electricity to pass through those arms and activate the circuit.